So Santa Claus has a message for Jimmy. Oh boy.
Let's see what message.
The elves are getting it ready, Jimmy.
Jimmy, what do you think he's going to say?
Oh my gosh.
He wants to talk to you. What do you think?
What do you think he's going to say?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Jimmy, you say.
Oh, hello, Jimmy. Welcome. Isn't this great? Now, my portable North Pole console is really portable. We have installed cameras all over the village.
Uh-oh.
This is the Elves' Secret Quarters ice hole. The elves are very talented artists, and ice sculpture is their specialty. Isn't this beautiful? Now let's go to my office to talk.
Take a picture.
Here we are. This is your first time here, right? My office has changed a lot in the last year. In fact, since the success of the PNP, a lot of things have changed around here.
Listen, he's talking to
The
you.
elves from the Central Center
Get down, he's
for
talking to you. Listen.
Research have improved our navigation
He's going to
system.
get mad at you.
Here, let me show you. I just enter your name here. We wait half a nanosecond. And you see, here is my route to your house in New York. Now let's take a look at your file.
He's watching you, Jim.
I hope you've been a good little boy since last Christmas. Oh, here we are. Right now, you are 4 years old. Is that right?
That's right.
And you go to school. Now, let's see what kind of year you had.
It says your best friend is Michael Frischka on his
You had a
pages.
very special birthday party, didn't you? Santa almost didn't recognize you. Wow! Now, Santa also knows that this year you have been asked to try really hard to always
Take a
listen
picture of that.
to your parents. Jimmy, I see here that unfortunately there is a note in your file. You're on naughty watch. I guess you have to try harder, huh? I guess by now you know that nothing gets past Santa. I'm expecting you to be especially nice during the holidays. And Santa knows that there's a special gift you have been